How to create clips on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create clips. So all what you have to do, go to Twitch. This is the home page, and now go to the top corner, click here, click on settings. After you click on settings, now all what you have to do is simple. Click on channel and videos, and click on here on content, click on clips, and here you will be able to create clips, as you can see, easily and fast. And if you want to see clips of your channel, you will find them here, or if you want to see clips you have created, you will find them here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.